Peace.
Peace.
Today's special guest is my second child, my son. What's your name? Introduce yourself. Sayazay, aka Boo Boo. This guy's a riot, so we had to bring him on today's show. Well, today what we'll be discussing is a concoction that you can put together to boost your mineral intake. This is something that you would want to take on the fly, if just in case like you couldn't have if you couldn't juice, or you couldn't have a really healthy smoothie, or when you're fasting and you just don't have the time to really consume the things that you need to consume in order to keep you balanced throughout the day until your time to eat arrives. So let's get started. The ingredients we have today: vinegar, apple cider vinegar.
Me and Papa taste that, didn't we?
Do you like that? You like apple cider vinegar?
This is gross. It doesn't taste like nothing.
Doesn't taste like nothing?
It just tastes like apple juice.
It does? I thought you like apple juice.
Yeah, but look at what it is. Look at. Give me a spoon of that.
You want a spoon of that?
Yeah.
Right now on camera? Okay.
What's
Sea salt, natural spring water, and a lemon. This is a Mayer lemon. This one happens to be a tad bit sweeter, but this is what we need for the ingredients.
Yeah, but this is
So,
what we need too.
my son requested a spoonful of apple cider vinegar on camera. So let's see how he reacts to that, because I'm very aware how he reacts to this, but for some strange reason he wants to revisit it. So let's entertain it.
Let's go.
Now, there's a lot of stuff you can find online about apple cider vinegar, be it good, be it bad. I've learned that the acetic acid in the apple cider vinegar is what helps with the mineral.
It's gross.
So the acetic acid in the apple cider vinegar is what actually helps with your minerals, and it also helps with your insulin and your blood sugar levels. So while fasting, this is something that you should take. I wouldn't advise taking it every day, because acetic acid could be detrimental to certain groups of people, because we don't all have the same chemical composition. But I'm not going to get into the science of that. Just minimize your intake with this and just use it accordingly. So what you'll want to do is, I've heard people recommend 2 tablespoons, but again, because this isn't necessarily SEBI approved, I should say, I would say use 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. No, we won't do that. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar.
Can I pour it in there? I don't get to pour it in. Mine want to do something.
Cut half of a lemon. You want to squeeze the lemon in there?
Yeah.
Let me get some of these seeds out. Make sure your lemon has seeds. Make sure anything that you're eating that's fruit related has seeds. Look at that as like the soul of the being, you know? If the fruit itself doesn't have the tools or the essentials to procreate itself, then you shouldn't be consuming it.
There was also 2
Here,
beans.
squeeze that in.
Squeeze it?
Squeeze that right in there.
More?
Mm-hmm.
More? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Is there more?
Yep. There we go. That's a good squeeze.
More?
Yep.
Okay.
So yeah, squeeze a half of a lemon in there. All right, that's it. You want to taste? You want to suck on this a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
Get some of those lemon noise in there. Yeah, take some of that flesh.
That's better.
Better than apple cider vinegar, right?
Okay.
Then you want to take your sea salt, and you just want to get 1 good turn.
It's your turn to do something. Do you really need salt in there?
Put a couple turns. It wasn't really turning like that, but you want basically like a half of a teaspoon of sea salt. And then
And mine tastes like the water.
some all-natural spring water.
Okay, with a big ice down there. That with lightning down. Daddy, try to get that little ice in there.
And if you wanted to, which I wouldn't advise during a fast, if you're really taking your fast as serious as I do, what you could do is squeeze a little agave in here, tiny bit. I don't like to do it because if you taste too much of a sugar content, even if it's a natural sweetener.
Dad, are we gonna get more stuff to do and put in it?
No, that's it. That's all the ingredients for this. This is just a mineral booster. That's all. This just helps to boost the minerals in your body.
Let's mix it.
To regulate you throughout the day.
Let's mix it because we put water.
Okay, go ahead. So yeah, so if you squeeze a little bit of agave in there, it'll make it more palatable. But the one thing that I want to say is you don't want to get comfortable with sweeteners, whether they're natural or unnatural.
Taste it. Is it
And there
good?
you go.
Is it
And again, this is just in case you don't have time to make a smoothie, you don't
it
have
good?
time
Is
to
it
make
good?
a juice.
Is it good to you?
No, it's not. It doesn't taste good at all. But it's healthy. And there you have it. A mineral boosting tonic. Peace. Till next time. Love, light, and peace.
Love, light, peace.